Hello everyone. In Power BI, if you have a dataset like this, maybe in Excel or any other format, and you want to create a visualization of this data like this, you have two options. One is the manual way. First, you need to add the dataset to your Power BI project. Search for the dataset and double click on it. There are three tabs like order, return and user. We will use the order table, so select this from here and without transforming or anything, just load it. It will take a few seconds and will be added to your Power BI project. Here in the data pane, you will see the name of the table that we have just added. So to create a visualization, you need to create one from the visualization pane. The first one is the stacked bar chart. So click on that and this appears into the visualization area. Now while selecting this, select the city from your data set and then scroll down to go to up to the sales field and just drag it into the x-axis. And now your visualization is done. But instead of doing all these things, you have one smarter way, which is the Q&A feature of Power BI, which enables you to create a visualization without really manually doing all these things. For that, you just need to double click in the dashboard area and here you need to type what you want to see in your visualization. I want to see the sales by city. So here I will write amount of sales by city, and in what format I want to see that is a stacked bar chart. So I will write that stacked bar chart and hit enter. And once you hit enter, you will see the visualization that has been created automatically. And here is one tiny button by clicking which you can turn this Q&A result into a standard visual. Just click on that and here is your data visualization. So isn't that smarter? Of course, you can edit this visualization like you do for the other visualizations that you create, and also change that to any other visual as you want from the visualization pane. So this way your effort is reduced to create a visualization by removing the manual task. Thanks for watching. Let's catch up in the next video.